Hi guys, Samuel Guy here. I want to show you how to get a GNC diesel pickup truck dually truck. You want to see it? Great. Check out this one there. It's a dually truck. It has two wheels, two double tires, and a diesel motor, okay? I wonder what's gonna check on this one. Here it is. There's a cab. It has a radio, has a touch screen, it has some temperatures. Let's check and see what. There's a back. There's a nice one, huh? It's a nice big truck. Take a look at this truck. This is very nice. It has big wheels, huh? You can go on the stairs. It's a trailer. It has a trunk. A trunk stair bed back. You can open it. You get on the stairs. You can climb it. It's very easier to climb, so you can put stuff in. Anyway, pretty cool, huh? Yep. Alright guys. Alright. That's what I'm going to show you about GNC diesel pickup truck dually. So anyway, that's how I show you GNC diesel pickup truck dually is going to be a brand new diesel pickup truck. Alright, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.